Okay. Hi, my name is Dr. Tim Joshin, and one of my favorite products is the Obagi Clear. Now, the Obagi Clear comes in the Obagi system, and this system is really great for reducing fine lines and wrinkles and improving pigmentation. I really can't live without Obagi Clear at this point in my life. I've been using it for at least 13, maybe 15 years. What it does is it gets rid of those brown spots on your face, and in conjunction with the Retin-A, you'll really see dramatic improvement in your skin. One of the things I really like about the product is the fact that it's got a creamy texture to it, and I can mix it with my Retin-A, which can sometimes be a little bit irritating to my skin, so it provides a little bit of moisturizing when I use it. So this is something I think should be essential in everybody's skincare regimen, and keep in mind if you use the entire system, you get 40% better results.
Hi, my name is Jessie Ballesteri. I'm a receptionist here at Contour Dermatology, and I'm going to talk about Obagi Clear today. Obagi Clear is a fantastic product. It is a hydroquinone-based product. It is a 4%, which is stronger than what you can get over the counter, and this will help to even out all of your skin tone. Any brown spots, melasma, dark spots, this is going to help correct and even out all of your skin tone. This product is great in conjunction with the entire Obagi kit, and it'll give you 40% better results.
Hi, my name is Jose. I'm a medical assistant here in Contour Dermatology, and today we are demonstrating Obagi No-Derm Blender. It is a great cream because it helps with the brown spots. It helps even your skin tones, and it is a great product when you use it in a system with tretinoin, and that's pretty much it.